If you find yourself in an emergency situation where you can't get hold of any surgical face masks or paper dust masks, I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can make your own in less than a minute and for only a few cents. So let's get into it. A respirator is designed with these big cartridge filters on either side to filter out chemicals that you might breathe, but dust masks and surgical masks are really just designed to filter out dust and particulates from getting into your mouth and lungs. In an emergency situation, if you can't get hold of either of these, there's a few simple ways that you can actually make them yourself. So the first way is with a t-shirt. So take any t-shirt, lay it face up, and then make a fold just below the hemline, right across. Now take the t-shirt and put it over your nose and mouth. Take the arms, tie them at the back of your head, and that will hold it in place. We've now got 4 layers of fabric over our mouth and nose. We can also, for added protection, we can tuck the remainder of the t-shirt into our shirt, and that gives an added layer of protection to also stop dust from coming up underneath the t-shirt. The next way to make a really simple, easy, disposable paper mask is to take a roll of paper towels. Just take one paper towel, lay it down, and then start to put some folds of about 2 centimeters, folding back and forth accordion style. Now take a rubber band and fold it under each end and put a staple to hold it in place. And now you can open out the mask and you've got a pouch that will conform to the shape of your face. Hook the elastic bands around your ears and you've made yourself a nice simple disposable paper dust mask. Another simple washable mask that we can make is to take a handkerchief or bandana and just fold it up, then take a rubber band and pop it over the side and fold that side in to around about the middle. Then do the same on the other side. Bring the 2 pieces together and you can actually tuck one side under the other. And now we can pop that over our mouth and nose and put the elastic bands over our ears to hold it in place. And now we've made a simple washable mask that we can use in an emergency situation. I hope you found this video useful. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.